Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen, TGIF. And it's Pasta Friday, but I'll get to that in a moment. Last night I prepared Polish sausage, aka kielbasa, sauerkraut, and potatoes. I saw this recipe, I don't know, and I just had to do it. Me being, half Polish, anytime there's a Polish sausage or a kielbasa recipe, I take a second look. I had fun with this one. There were some things I just had to add. It's all in the notes. Yeah, it was casual chef. Tonight, the culinary expedition is going to be in Mali. Now, you're probably thinking to yourself, what pasta dish can come out of Mali? I have it. This is called Katta Pasta. It is a traditional pasta dish out of Mali. It is basically a red sauce with pasta, and you can choose the protein of your wish. Let's get to it. And with this super simple dish, I have chosen lamb. So it's going to be lamb, a little bit of oil to brown and cook the lamb and to saute the red onion, carrot, and red bell pepper. I'll be using mine penne. As you know, that's one of my favorite pastas to work with. Kosher salt, black pepper. I'm going to be using 3 fresh red Roma tomatoes. And the recipe calls for paprika, which I'll be using Spanish paprika, cumin, and cayenne. Like always, I have done my due diligence and research. Cayenne is proper for Mali. I was a little surprised. I'm sorry, I'm just a stickler on chili powders when it comes to countries and regions outside of America. As you can see, this is a super simple dish, but I'm looking forward to it. It is Pasta Friday. So, on this Friday, have a great day. Oh, wait a minute. Have you given your suggestion for the live that'll be happening here in about a week or two? Get them in. Let me know what you're wanting to see. All right. Have a great day. Eat great food and have fun cooking.